Hey elevated ones, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a what I eat in a day as a raw vegan. We are going to be starting out, well, I am going to be starting out with some lemon water. I usually don't do lemon water, but since I can't get the water that I usually get, which comes in a glass bottle, I add lemon to enhance the nutrients of the water and also to mask the taste because I don't like the taste and because the water dry my throat out. So I'll be drinking this lemon water, and while I'm drinking this lemon water, I will be making my herbs for today. Also, how rude of me, I forgot to introduce myself. If you are new to the channel or you just didn't know my name is Nini. I've been vegan for about 7.5 years, and I've been raw vegan for about 2.5 years. I went vegan for some health reasons, which I will explain in detail in a different video. Also, y'all gonna have to excuse my skin in the next few videos and in the previous videos because I have been detoxing heavily through herbs or whatever. So I know that some of y'all, I wouldn't even explain myself, but you know how people on the internet be like, oh, she don't look raw vegan, oh, why her skin messed up, or she got some bad skin or something like that. But that's the reason why my skin is breaking out. Remember what I told y'all in the last video, the skin is an elimination organ. So whatever is on the inside will manifest on the outside through the skin because it's an eliminating organ, and it is also the largest organ of your body. So since we have been formally introduced, let's get into this what I eat in a day. Also, I just started back intermittent fasting, so I'll be doing like a 6 to 7 hour eating window. I used to do 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. But since I'm going to be going to bed probably earlier, I don't want to eat like 2 hours before. I want to give myself at least 4 to 5 hours for my food to digest before I go to sleep at night. So I will be doing like more than likely 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. or either 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Whichever one I like the most, I'll play around with it a little bit. I'll probably let y'all know at a later date how it's going. But I did intermittent fasting for like 2 to 3 years consistently, and it really worked out well for me. I just stopped doing it, but now I'm about to get back on it. So I am going to be intermittent fasting. I did get a late start today. Usually, sometimes y'all, I don't even eat till about like 3 in the evening, which I know is like bad and all. It's not really bad, but I could do better so I can get all my calories in, everything. I don't really count calories, or they don't even really matter to me, as long I eat for the way that I feel. So if I know that I'm feeling bad or my stomach feel heavy or a little bloated or whatever, then you know I adjust my diet within those realms. That's enough of me talking. Let's get into this what I eat in a day.
You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Myself feel warmer when you're near, whenever you're near. Come on close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come on close.
Y'all seen that time on the clock, right? 111. Yeah, I'm in alignment. But while I wait for my herbs to cool, I am going to get in a little workout, probably 30 minutes. I usually do like an hour, 10, hour and 20, but today I'm gonna take it slow. Probably do 30 minutes.
Get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind.
Alright, y'all, my workout is complete. I just did a light workout today. I did 10-minute treadmill warm up. So a 10-minute walk on the treadmill, 10 minutes of arms, and then 10 minutes of abs and mobility stretching combined. It is now like 2:57, 2:58 p.m. and I'm about to break my fast. So I'm about to make a smoothie, which will probably have, well, ain't no problem to it. We're just gonna have strawberries, dates, banana, and water. This smoothie could easily be 1,000 calories depending on if I put hemp seeds in it or not. I don't know if I'm gonna have 2 of these or 1 of these, but let's go ahead and make this smoothie. Usually, I know it's later in the day and I'm just now breaking my fast. Usually during the week, I break my fast earlier, probably around 11:30, 12, but it's the weekend, I like to relax a little bit, so here we go. Also, I do not make smoothies to where I mix fruit and vegetables because fruit have a faster digestive time than vegetables. So I don't make my, I only drink fruit smoothies and fruit juices. I don't mix vegetables with those. Also, it is best to soak your dates. I didn't this time, however, but it's best to soak your dates because they are slightly dehydrated, and dehydrated food equals a dehydrated body. So I don't own a dehydrator, and I don't really eat nothing dehydrated. But it's best to at least soak them for like 30 minutes. I usually do it overnight and then just add the water that it's soaked in into my smoothie and make it real sweet. So I'm going to be using about probably like 5 dates. Usually what I do. I had to add a little bit too much water.
For a while, stay by my side.
I'm about to go enjoy my smoothie. I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm hungry again.
I'm hoping for some brighter days, 'cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting me deep. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. November gets cold, December gets darker. Let me know when you're home, 'cause you're lighting a spark in me. Gets pretty lonely, I get so lonely. So stay by my side, come close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. Close, side, wanna be by your side. Close, just for a while, stay by my side. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me.
Alright, y'all, this concludes my what I eat in a day. I really keep it simple. I don't do all the gourmet dehydrated foods and all that stuff. It's really not necessary. A lot of it, or I believe a lot of people consume those things or make content around those things just to appeal to a larger audience and for their content to be more aesthetically pleasing. It's all that stuff's not really needed. Like I said, I don't even really use my juicer like that anymore. I do here and there. And as far as a blender, I only use it for my smoothies and to make like hemp seed dressing or something like that. You don't need like a super high quality blender. I think mine was like maybe $100 or whatever. And the only reason I consume the smoothies is to cut back on cost of fruit, because the frozen fruit lasts longer. So if it wasn't for that, I'd just be, eating the fruit. That's all you got to do. So just some encouraging words for anybody that want to change their lifestyle or go raw vegan, or not even go raw vegan, just go vegan. Or you don't even have to go vegan, but just want to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your lifestyle. It can be done. Just eat the food. That's all you got to do. You don't need all these fancy gadgets and all that stuff. So I feel like a lot of content can be misleading and discouraging to a lot of people. So if you want to eat healthy, just do it. You don't need all that extra. But also I want to speak on the wild rice in my video. It is raw. I do bloom the wild rice. I don't cook it. In the summertime, what I do is I put it in a mason jar, fill the mason jar up, and sit it outside in the sun early in the morning. That way, by the evening time, it'll be ready and it will have bloomed. If you have a dehydrator, you can use your dehydrator to set the wild rice in and it'll bloom, or you can use your oven on the lowest setting. And that's how I do my wild rice. I will be making a huge fat nori roll is what I like to call it, but you can call it a raw burrito or whatever. But that's what I'll be eating for dinner, and this will conclude my day of what I eat. Every day ain't the same, but pretty much the same. Fruit in the morning, drink a lot of water, drink my herbs, and then I have a salad or a nori roll or some type of wrap or lettuce wraps or whatever in the evening time. And when it comes to my nori roll, sometimes I use mashed avocado as the dressing. Sometimes I make a hemp seed dressing. Today I'm going to be using a mashed avocado. Like I said, I do it interchangeably. I haven't even been eating kale or avocados like that, because I want to give my digestive system a break. But if y'all like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'ma holla at y'all in the next one, and don't forget to stay elevated.
Whatever happens, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good.